Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to see channels info on WhatsApp web on PC with the new update. WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to access channel information right from your desktop. Let's dive into the steps. First, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the channels icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to access the list of channels you are part of. Next, scroll through the list to find the specific channel you want to copy the link for. Once you've located it, hover over the channel name and click on the drop-down arrow that appears, or simply right-click on the channel name. A menu will appear, and from there, click on the Channel Info option. This will open up a window displaying all the information related to the channel, including the link to share with others. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and share channel information on WhatsApp web on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.